Hello everyone, we have already discussed about the distance formula in coordinate geometry. What is distance formula? Distance formula is x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square is equal to distance. Now for x-axis the points are a comma 0. For y-axis it is 0 comma a, and for origin it is 0 comma 0. Simple. Now if I say find the point on x-axis, that means a comma 0, which is equidistant from 2 comma minus 5, and that means the same point is equidistant from minus 2 comma 9. That means you find the distance of this line, and they both are equal. A minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus minus 5. A minus minus 2, 0 minus 9. A square plus 4 minus 4a, a minus b whole square plus 25. A square plus 4 plus 4a plus 81. Square is always positive. Minus 9 square will be plus 81. Now, root and root will be cancelled from both the sides. Now, a square, when it will come here, a square minus a square, it will get cut. 4 minus 4, but then see this, minus 4a and plus 4a. Plus 4a, when it will come here, it will become minus 4a. So minus 4a minus 4a, it will give minus 8a is equal to 81 minus 25. A is equal to 56 upon minus 8, minus 7. Simple, right? Now the next question is, find the value of y. Find the value of y for which the distance is, the distance between 2 comma minus 3 and 10 comma y is 10 units. The distance is 10 units. This distance. So that means distance is equal to 2 minus 10 whole square plus minus 3 minus y whole square. Now distance is given as 10 units. Write down 10. Now minus a minus b whole square. Minus a minus b whole square क्या होता है? It is a plus b whole square only. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Same. Minus 8 square is plus 64. Now how will I solve? First root will go there. जब root उस तरफ जाएगा तो square बन जाएगा. See, root मतलब होता है 1/2. 1/2 जब उस तरफ जाएगा तो क्या बन जाएगा? 2/1 बन जाएगा, तो square बन जाएगा. Now bring everything on the right side. स्प्लिटिंग कर दीजिए या धराचार्य लगा दीजिए. सिंपल. Now the next thing that I would like you to learn is section formula. There is a line. Say it has the points 2 comma minus 2, minus 7 comma 4. At one point there is a point P which is trisecting it. That means it is dividing it into the ratio of 2:1 or 1:2. You have to find the coordinates of P. You have to tell me the points of P. Now P के क्या coordinates हैं कि ये 2:1 के रेशियो में डिवाइड कर रहा है. P के भी तो कुछ पॉइंट होंगे, हर एक पॉइंट के कुछ कोऑर्डिनेट्स होते हैं. इसके भी कुछ कोऑर्डिनेट्स होने चाहिए. इसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या हैं? इसके लिए हमारे पास एक फॉर्मूला है. बट बिफोर दैट, दिस इज m1, दिस इज m2, दिस इज x1, दिस इज y1, दिस इज x2, दिस इज y2. नाउ द फॉर्मूला इज, इसका भी x कोऑर्डिनेट होगा और एक y कोऑर्डिनेट होगा. इसका x कोऑर्डिनेट निकालने के लिए x coordinate of P, m1 x2 plus m2 x1, m1 is 2, x2 is -7, m2 is 1, x1 is 2, m1 plus m2, -4. अब ये तो x कोऑर्डिनेट निकला है. अब अगर y कोऑर्डिनेट निकालना है, m1 y2 प्लस m2 y1 अपॉन m1 प्लस m2. m1 कितना है 2, y2 कितना है 4, m2 कितना है 1, y1 कितना है -2 अपॉन m1 प्लस m2. Please practice.